News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, it's just one of those years that, and we've been getting some of those here lately. We've had no fall, the beautiful time of year, and yet we didn't have it. I was talking with Doug a little while ago. We all agree on this. As you take a look at Boise, it's 34 degrees. Definitely it's winter. It's not fall. No, it is technically fall. You see McCall with 27, Sun Valley with 23. Look at Stanley. They're down to 14 degrees. All right, what we can talk about here is the game, which is going to be Saturday. Kickoff is at 5 o'clock, BSU in Wyoming. Look at that, 21 degrees. That's the beginning of the game. That's basically their high for the day, and temperatures are going to be a lot colder. Could even be a little breezy there, which could drop some wind chills to like the single digits. The only way you'll stay warm is if you're playing in the game, and that could be marginal. Now, you look here over the northwest, we're clear skies for tonight, so it's the tale of two storms. Here's the first one. Now, cold air doesn't hold as much moisture, but we still have some snow that's coming down, and some of this snow could actually reach down to Laramie over the next day or so. So just watch those roads in eastern sections of Wyoming if you're going to the game. And if you notice here that this is going to come down, and it's going to eventually be into Stanley tomorrow afternoon. I'll show you the futurecast. So that's the first storm. That's colder air coming in. Idaho Falls, some spots in the mountains around there could have wind chills down to 25 below. Here in Boise, it's nothing quite like that, but I'll show you. We're going to have some cold temperatures. Next storm to the rescue is out here to the west. I say to the rescue because if this pushes in, and it looks like it could the early part of next week, that changes that direct northerly, that nasty northeasterly flow, and we get this westerly flow in here. It's not going to warm up a lot, but we could see a 42 or 45 or somewhere along through there, okay? Here's the futurecast. Will we have snow out of this Arctic front that's coming through? Well, here it is. Stanley will have snow, not heavy snow. And Boise, it's a pretty good answer, isn't it? Maybe. Yeah, as it comes through here, it's going to be very light. It's going to be breaking up just off the foothills, but you could see some flurries through there. After that, it pretty much clears up, and then it leaves us with that colder air. So notice the 7-day forecast, how our temperatures come down. Lows could be in the mid-teens Saturday and Sunday. So here are the lows for tonight. They're in the teens in the Magic Valley. Here in Sun Valley, it's down to 9. Stanley is down to 3 because of a little bit of overcast. As you look at McCall, down to 12, meaning in Stanley, when I say overcast, not as cold as 5, 6 below as they've been getting with clear skies. Here's Emmett for tomorrow at 33, 35 degrees for Caldwell. Here's a look at Boise at 36 degrees. The low tonight, pretty close to those teens, down to 20. And Mountain Home could be down to 18 degrees. So we're close. 7-day forecast shows the 36 degrees. As you notice, low tonight down to 20. There's 19 for Friday when that cold air kind of comes in here. And as I said, it's not going to take out the inversion entirely, but we should see some improvement. But the cold weather with it, there's 16 for the low Saturday, Sunday morning 15, 17 for Monday. Now here's that storm system to the west. As it comes in, likely snow, a mixture of rain and snow. Watch your travels for next week. Temperature comes up at night, daytime highs in the 40, maybe even get into the lower 40s the middle part of next week. And as we look at these temperatures, we're going to be seeing temperatures that will be up around 36 degrees. As you see tomorrow, and tonight's low will be chilly as the low temperature is going to be down to 20 degrees. So you guys,
I'm looking forward to that 15, Rick.
No, honestly, we were raking leaves yesterday. So
frozen
leaves. People still have leaves on the ground. It just transitioned within like 3 days, and I've had to remind myself mentally, we're in for a long winter because it's still fall.
Let's hope it warms up in January.
Yeah, maybe.
Go quick.
Rick, thanks a lot.